Okay, what's problem number 2?
Sir, number 2, the S derives
Yeah,
A,
you're
B,
seeing
C.
the screen, right? You're seeing the screen.
Yes, sir.
So it is the problem number 2. What's wrong?
Sir, so can you explain the solution?
Finding the first actually.
Yeah, first values.
So what is the first of it?
It's A and epsilon.
Yes. What is the first of B?
I could do A, B, C, D, E, but like I'm having problem in S.
S. Okay. So already S should have first of A because of the second part. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
And let's come to here. So what is first of S? First of S is nothing but first of ABCD. First
yes,
of ABCD is nothing but first of A. Am I right?
yes, sir.
So what is first of A? A. We
A.
have already written A. So
Hmm.
forget about that one. Now let's put epsilon. So if you put epsilon, then this A is cross out.
Hmm.
So B is exposed. So what
Hmm.
is first of B? First of B is nothing but first of B. So let's
Right.
put the B. Okay. Then put epsilon. Then this B is cross out. Then C is
Hmm.
exposed. Am I right? What is
Right.
first of C? D.
D.
So we put first D. After that we cannot go anywhere because
Oh, there is no
C does.
epsilon.
There is no epsilon. So we have to stop over
Oh,
here.
okay.
We are done.
Okay, I
Right?
get it.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Okay. So let's start today's topic. So today we are going to talk about follow. Today we are going to talk about follow. So what is fast? Fast is something like this. Fast is something like this. So let's assume I'm trying to derive something. Let's assume from S, I derive to some expressions, some right hand side. Whatever comes at the beginning, this is called fast. Am I right?
স্যার আপনার লাস্টে কথাটা কেটে গিয়েছে আবার একটু বলবেন প্লিজ
So let's assume we are deriving S to this expression, from S to this point. Okay?
ওকে স্যার ওকে
From
স্যার
S2, I come to this expression. From S2, we come to this expression. During derivation process, this is a one step of derivation. So during derivation process, whatever comes first, that is called first. Am I right? That is the definition
Yes,
of
sir.
first.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the definition of follow? After deriving, whatever comes just after this expression, that is called follow. Am I right? All right. So it is something like this. Let's assume S derives A or A. So if I use this rule, S derives A, then during this derivation step, we got at the very beginning A. So that's why first of S is of definitely A. Now what is follow? Follow is something like this. After this derivation, whatever can come after it, that is called follow. Okay? Do you get it? Is there any question?
বুঝতে পারিনি স্যার ফলোটা লাস্টে কি জিরো আসলো
বুঝলাম না স্যার।
জিরো আসে না, আমি একটা মানে বুঝালাম আর কি। whatever comes. For example,
So whatever comes after the derivation.
you're right. Let's assume I try to derive. Let's take this grammar. S derives. Let's take this grammar. S derives A or A. A derives A or epsilon. Okay.
Okay.
So if you use this rule, let's assume S derives A. Okay. Then during this derivation process, let's take this string as well. Let's take this string A, this string. Okay. So let's assume we have used S to AA. So during this derivation step, whatever comes at the very beginning, that is the first of S. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you derive again A to AA, whatever comes at the very beginning, that is first of this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So this way we can calculate first, and we have seen the algorithm as well. Now, what is follow? Follow is during this derivation, whatever comes after this one, that is called follow. Whatever comes after this one, that one is called follow. So tell me, what can after this one? What can comes after this one?
Sir, A derives AA.
Yes, then what can comes after that? What can comes after this? This position, this position, this position. In this case, nothing is coming. Am I right?
Yes,
In
sir.
this case, nothing is coming. But if you remember, when we have drawn LL1 parsing table, we always say there is a dollar sign at the end of the stack. Am I right?
Yes.
And also there is a dollar sign at the end of the input buffer.
Yes, sir.
So we always consider that after S there is a dollar. After S there is a dollar. Okay. We always consider after S there is a dollar. So if there is a dollar after S, then if you derive S to A, then what can come after this A?
Dollar.
Definitely dollar. Then if you derive this A to AA, what can after this A?
Dollar.
So in both cases, the follow of S is dollar. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
So it is
okay.
an imaginary symbol. Remember, this one is an imaginary symbol. We always use this imaginary symbol, dollar, at the end of the stack and the end of the input buffer. As we always use the imaginary symbol, definitely, we can also assume after S there is a dollar. Is it clear to you guys?
So everything ends with a dollar.
Yeah, you can say the end of the symbol might be different, like hash, or you can say the end of the symbol might be question mark. But it is a practice to denote the end of the symbol as dollar. So definitely, as we always assume a symbol just after the end of the input buffer, definitely that dollar also follows after start symbol. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, both cases, the follow of S is dollar and follow of A is dollar. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
যদি না বোঝেন, if you don't understand, ask me question. Ask me question.
স্যার কয়টা এক্সাম্পল দিতে থাকেন তাহলে একটু তার মানে কোয়েশ্চেন করার আইডিয়া পাবো।
This one is the first rule. This one is the first rule. Always assume at the end of S there is a special symbol that marks the end of the string, that is actually dollar. First rule. Rule number 1. Okay?
ওকে স্যার।
This is the first rule. Now let's go to second rule. Let's talk about the previous class examples and try to find out the following. This is the first rule. Okay? Now let's go to previous class examples. Let's take this example. So this one is the example. S derives A, capital A, capital B, capital C, small d, small a, capital A. B derives small b, capital B, small b. Capital A derives small a, capital A, or A. Capital C derives small c, capital C, or small c. Now tell me. So, what is the first of S? What is
Okay,
the first of S?
we shouldn't start with the S. We should start with the easier step
We should not start with S. Why should not we start with the S?
because
Well,
it's
we are
complicated.
finding-
We start.
No, we are finding follow. We are not finding fast.
Oh,
Follow
oh,
rules are
okay.
different. Follow
Oh,
rules are
sorry.
different.
Okay,
Follow,
okay.
you should always start with S because we
Okay, sir.
definitely S should have a follow. And we know that what is that follow? That is the imaginary symbol. That is the end of the string. So it is
Dollar,
better to
sir.
start with S. Yes.
Uh-huh.
So tell me, what would be the follow of S?
Dollar, sir.
Definitely dollar. Now, what would the follow up be?
Dollar.
How can you know follow up B is also dollar?
And it's okay, sir. Back on, sir.
In that case and in that case, they are not same actually.
Okay, sir. Back on, sir.
Let's see. We want to find follow up B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So B appears where in the right hand side?
Mhm.
Here. Here. Anywhere else?
No, sir.
So if S derives A, B, capital C, D, then if B derives something, what would be the follow-up?
Oh.
C.
C
C.
C
C is a variable. So what would be the follow? Follow first and follows are always terminals. The capital C cannot be.
ছোট C, sir.
It is not a choto C. It is a capital C. Wait,
No.
wait.
Sir, first of C.
Follow, not the first. Right?
It's a capital C. It's a capital C. So you cannot say actually that is the follow. You cannot say like that. It is a capital C. It's a variable. So how can you say variable is a follow? Because all the follows and first are actually terminals. What can you do?
First of C.
First
First
of
of
C.
C, yeah.
Wonderful. First of C.
Samira
First
bolo.
of
এটা
C.
বলছে এটা
First of
Yes,
C.
sir.
So
Samira
we
বলেছিল।
get our second case. That means if we want to find follow of something, then we are trying to find out where it appears on the right hand side. Just after it, whatever there, first of that. Is it clear to you?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are done with rule number 2. Let's come to rule number 3. If we are here it appears at the end, then what would be the follow up something?
Yes, sir. আবার question একটু বলবেন?
It is coming at the end of something, end of the product. Then what would be the follow?
তো প্রথমটা বিটারই ফলো
প্রথমটা
লাস্টে তো আর কিছু নেই কিছু না
এটার
থাকলে
পরে তার কিছু নেই, এটার পরে after B there is nothing. So how can you find the
ডলার। তাহলে কি ডলার?
you are very greedy person, always thinking about
I'm
dollar
sorry,
and
I'm
dollar.
sorry, sir.
So tell me, after this B there is nothing. So what would be the follow? What would be the follow?
Epsilon?
No,
এখন আসবে না
epsilon would be never, because as S is always, for example, S is something A, B, C, D. Then S definitely followed by dollar. Now, if it is cross out, if it's cross out, if it's cross out, ultimately at least we will get a dollar. So epsilon can never comes to follow. At the
Okay.
end, we will get something. If we cross out something, 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 at last we will get something. That is dollar. So epsilon would never be followed. Simple.
স্যার এটা কিন্তু মোরাল অফ লাইফ অ্যাজ ওয়েল।
It is the moral of life, means
আচ্ছা নেভার মাইন্ড।
আপনারা আজকে অনেক উল্টাপাল্টা কথা বলছেন, এগুলো স্টপ করেন। আমরা আসলে এটাতে থাকি, সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে epsilon would never come to follow, because if you somehow can discard a variable, then next one appear. If you discard that one, next one will appear. Ultimately, at the last, you will reach to the root, and root must follow something, that is dollar. So it would never epsilon. Now tell me, in this case, when B appears at the last, after that one, there is nothing. So what would be the immediate rule to find follow?
So we find C's follow.
নো স্যার
Sis-
আমরা বি
সিস ফলো কেন হবে? এইটার জন্য তো বি ফার্স্ট, এটার জন্য তো সি এর ফার্স্ট বেরি করলাম, কিন্তু এটার
আচ্ছা।
জন্য কি করবো? যেখানে বিটা একদম লাস্টে চলে গেল, at the end of the product. What can you do?
দাঁড়ান স্যার ভাবি।
ফলোটা বের করবো স্যার বিটা দিয়ে
Let's think.
Sir, terminal টা নেওয়া যাবে না? B, small letter B নেওয়া যাবে না? Sir,
স্যার মনে হয় শুনে নেই।
আমি
টার্মিনাল হতে পারে, বাট আই থিংক কেউ বলেছিল
Sir,
মনে হয়।
are you there?
No. Yes, tell me.
Sir, small letter B কি হতে পারে? That's the terminal of B.
Small letter B তো, এটা তো দুটা রুল। B
হ্যাঁ,
derives BB. This is
হ্যাঁ।
one rule, and B derives small b. That is another rule. These two rules
Right.
does not have any relation with one another.
Okay.
These two rules does not have any relation with one another. They are actually two different rules. As their left hand side is actually same, that's why we write them together. But they are actually two different products. They are not same product. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
It's not-
Yes.
It does not mean after this b there is a small b. No, that is not true. They are different product. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's think this way. Let's take this one. It would be more clear. So what would be the follow of A? Follow of A. We are going to find out where A appears on the right hand side. It appears here. Am I right? And it appears
Yes.
here and it appears here. So in this case, what would be the follow of A?
First of B.
First of B. Fine. That rule is clear. In this case, what would be the follow of A?
dollar.
Dollar.
Dollar. Why it would be dollar? Because let's take this rule. S derives AA. Am I right? Now A appears at the end. Nothing is following A. Then definitely whatever following is, that would be follow of A. Am I right or not?
ইয়েস স্যার
So whenever a variable appears at the end of the product, that means follow of that one is nothing but follow of left hand side. Is it clear to you?
ইয়েস স্যার
So that is the rule.
স্যার জি আবার বলবেন স্যার একটু।
In this case, A appears at the end of the product.
জি
Okay?
স্যার।
Okay? So let's take this way. So S derives A. Now A is at the end of the product. Then whatever follow of is, that must be follow of A.
জি স্যার।
So whenever any variable appears at the end of some product, then follow of that variable is nothing but follow of left hand side. In this case, follow of left hand side is nothing but S. Is it clear to you?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
That is these three are the rules. These three are the rules. So let's
Oh,
summarize.
okay.
Let's summarize one by one. Start stream symbol definitely. Start symbol definitely have a follow, and that is nothing but a special symbol. We denote it by
Oh,
dollar. and that is nothing but end of the string. Okay? Because
Yes, sir.
at the end of the stack and at the top of the input buffer, there is a dollar. So definitely after star symbols, there would be a dollar. Okay? This is the rule number 1. Rule number 2 is actually, if we want to find out the follow of some variable, we are trying to find out what that variable appears on the right hand side. At the right hand side, whatever after that one, the first of that one is the follow, second number rule. Am I right?
Yes,
Aman?
sir.
In this case, when we try to find out follow of B, we are trying to find out why follow is there on the right hand side. It is here and it is here. So what would be the follow of B? Just after B. So just after B, there is a C, first of that one, right?
Yes, sir.
Now rule number 3. Rule number 3 is if some variable appears at the end of the product. So in this case, B appears at the end of in here. Then what is follow of B? Follow of B is nothing but follow of left hand side. So follow of B is nothing but follow of B. In this case, A appears here and here. So what would the follow of A? Follow of A is nothing but follow of A. In this case, follow of A is nothing but follow of S, which is nothing but dots. Okay? So these are the 3 rules you have to remember. So finding follow, at first it is better to find first. Okay? After finding first, finding follow becomes quite easy. But the problem is, what is the problem? Tell me. All these 3 rules has a problem. What is the problem? There's a problem with these 3 rules. What is that problem? All these 3 rules are recursive. You have to apply again and again. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If somehow, for example, in this case, follow of B is nothing but follow of B. Somehow in the another product, if follow of B is changed, then again you have to change it. Then again it might affect another rule. That rule might affect another rule. Am I right? So all these 3 rules are recursive. In finding first, our 2 first rules are not recursive. But in this case, all of my rules are recursive. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is problem
Yes,
with
sir.
recursion? What is problem with recursion? What is problem with recursion? Recursion needs to be stopped. Otherwise, it is going forever. So how can you stop this recursion of these 3 rules?
Have a base case.
There is no base case over here, only the products. So how can you stop this recursion? Doing again and again and again. For example, if you just
We can split it up.
No, if you find this way, follow up B is nothing but follow up B. Follow up B is nothing but follow up B. Follow up B is nothing but follow up B. Follow up B is nothing but follow up B. If you just interpret this way, this way, this way, you have to continue forever. So how can you stop
Samra,
this recursion?
স্যার আমরা ইন্ট্রোডিউস করতে পারি লেভেলস ইন্ট্রোডিউস করতে
There
পারি
is no levels. There is no need of levels. So we are going from one product to another product. That product to another product. This way, when there is no longer any change in our table of follow, then we say after one round, if there is no change in our table, we say we are done. There will be no more follow can be accumulated, so we can stop over there. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So for example, you go from here to here, from here to here, here, and here to here. One round is done. That means you have encountered all the products. If it does not change anything in the follow table, then you can say, yes, we no longer have any change. So we can stop.
Sir, is it like memoization?
It is nothing like memoization. It is nothing like memoization. It is like we do not need to change any entry in the table. That means it is always same. So we have to stop over there. So don't worry, we are going to do some problems, then it is getting clear. So let's take this example and try to find out the form. So let's do it this way. So what is the product? S derives. S derives.
Small a capital A, B, C,
S derives small a, capital A,
B, C, capital B,
capital B, capital C,
small d,
small d, then small a. Then A derives
small a, capital A,
small a, capital A. B derives
small b, capital B,
small b, capital B, B. Then
C derives
small c, capital C, small c. So at first we are going to find the first. So what would be the first of this? Which one I need to find first? Occam's rule. Occam's rule. So this one, and this one. So A, then B, then C. Then go to here. It's also simple A. So we are done with first.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to follow. Follow, you have to start from star symbol because we are pretty sure. We know that. We know that.
There is a dollar. There is a dollar in
There's
the
a dollar. There's a dollar because it's going to derive something. Ultimately, that is going to generate the string. So definitely this product. After this product, there is a dollar. So follow is this is dollar, but it is not and because all the rules are recursive. So you have to continue. Now let's try. Is there anywhere on the right hand side S
No, sir.
appears? So we are done. Shesh. It is done. Let's take A. A appears where? Here and here. Am I right?
yes sir,
And here. For this one, rule number 2. What would be the rule number 2? First of B. So what is first of B?
B,
B. So we are done. Now let's go to here. For this rule, what would be the
First
follow
of
of A?
follow
Follow
of
of A is at the end of the product. So follow of A is nothing but follow of S. Follow of S is nothing but dollar, and this product is done. So we are done. Now let's go to here. Follow of A is nothing but follow of A.
yes,
And we
sir.
already know follow of A is B and dollar. So we are done. Now so go to here. Follow of B, what B is appearing here, here, anywhere else?
Yes,
No.
sir.
For
For this one, the rule number 2. The follow of B is nothing but
first of
first of C. First of C is nothing but C. So we are done with this product. Let's go over here. Follow of B is nothing but follow of B. So no more change. Now let's go to here. C appears here and here. For this one, what is follow of C? There's a terminal direct. So D. Now in this product, follow of C is nothing but follow of C. We are done. Done. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right.
স্যার আমাদের এক্সারসাইজ মানে হোমওয়ার্কে এক্সারসাইজ দিয়েছিলেন নাম্বার 5টাতে ফলো করা যাবে স্যার
সবগুলা বের করবো, প্রত্যেকটা বের করবো।
ওটা একটু সলভ করে দিলে
অ্যালগরিদমটা লিখে ফেলি আগে।
জি স্যার
Algorithm for finding follow. Algorithm for finding follow. তো প্রথম রুলটা কি? What is my first rule? Number 1, follow start symbol must contain what? Must contain what?
dollar sign.
Dollar, but whatever is your start symbol. In compiler jargons, we use dollar. So number 1. Number 2. Then, what is the second rule? What is the second rule?
যেটা থাকলে
What is the second rule? Find the appearance of terminal of variable on RHS. Then follow of variable is nothing but first of next of its appearance. Did you get it? Is it clear to you guys? Excuse me?
These are clear.
Yes, sir.
Second rule. We are trying to find out. The appearance of B on the right hand side. So here is this. So next of its appearance. So next of its appearance is C. So first of that term. Done? Any question?
নেক্সট অফ ইটস অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স বলতে নেক্সট ভ্যারিয়েবলের কথা বলছে না
মানে নেক্সট অফ ইটস অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স ইটস বলতে হ্যাঁ ভেরিয়েবলটার কথা বলছি। এই ভেরিয়েবলটার বলতে কথা বলছি। কথা দিয়ে বলাটা মুশকিল কম। Next of its appearance means variable, right? Done?
Yes.
And what is the rule number 3? If the variable appears at the end of RHS, then follow of variable is nothing but follow of variable is nothing but follow of variable is nothing but
ডলার্স
follow of what?
স্টার্ট
LHS. Follow of LHS.
Left hand side.
ও
Follow of LHS. Yes. These all the 3 rules are clear to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, yes, practice করলে আরো better হবে।
Practice করবো কিন্তু problem একটাই, all the rules are recursive, so you have to try again and again. All those are recursive. At least there is one chance you have to try again, another round. You have to try with all the rules. When after one round there is no chance, you have to stop. So it is little bit complicated. So let's try to find out follow some the homework problems.
So number 5.
Number 5. So let's try with number 5. Number 5. Compile homework. What is number 5 rule? The number 5 rule is S derives A, B, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, A. A derives small a, capital A or epsilon. B derives small b, capital B or epsilon. C derives D or epsilon, and D derives capital S or epsilon. Okay, it is a wonderful problem. Okay, guys. So what should we do first? We have to first find
The first.
first. Always remember, it is possible to find follow, not having finding first, but eventually in the process you must find first. It is better to find first. That's why it is fast. Okay, so what would be which one I need to find first? Of first.
A.
Now comes rules, this one, and this one. So this is nothing but D and epsilon. This one is nothing but B or epsilon. This one is nothing but A or epsilon. This one is complicated, but this part is easy. So A. And this one is also easy because epsilon. Now let's come to complicated one. Let's find which one I need to first. Let's try this one. So first of S is nothing but first of A. First of A is nothing but A. Okay, done. Epsilon. So epsilon is cross out. So P is exposed. So first of B is nothing but B. If you put epsilon, cross out. So C. So you get first of C. First of C is nothing but D. If you put epsilon, that is cross out. Then we expose D. D is nothing but first of S. So A, B, C, D. If you put epsilon, whole things are crossed out, so we get a big epsilon. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go
Yes,
to
sir.
over here. First of D is nothing but first of S. First of S is nothing but A, B,
E
D, and epsilon is already there. We are done.
cross
So
out.
done. Now let's go to follow. Follow you have to start simple. So definitely dollar, but we cannot stop here because those all rules are recursive. So you have to wait. So you have to find out where is actually S on the right hand side. It is here, and it is appears at the right, at the end of the product. So you have to apply rule number 3. But there is a problem. We don't know follow up D. So let's try to find out. Follow up D. Follow up D is what? Follow up D. Why follow up D
Follow up
appears?
S.
Follow up D appears here at the end. So again, for this rule, follow up D is nothing but follow up dollar. Follow up S. Rule number 3. So dollar. Okay. All right. Let's try the other ones. Now A. What is A? A appears on the right hand side over here and here and here. For this one, A is nothing but first of B. First of B is nothing but B. If you put epsilon, this one is cross out. So C is exposed. So what is C? First of C is nothing but D. If you put epsilon, then this C is cross out. Now D is exposed. What is D? D is nothing but what is first of D? First of D is nothing but ABD. ABD. And if you put epsilon, the whole thing is cross out. So if whole thing is cross out, then what happened?
We can move on.
Dollar.
Wait, no. Everything is cross out, fine. But D appears at the end. So definitely should be follow of S according to rule number 3. What is that? Dollar. Okay, you can stop over here. Now let's go to B. Let's take this product. For this product, A appears at the end. So what is follow of A? According to rule number 3, follow of S. We have already write dollar. Now let's go to B. B appears where? B appears here and here. So what is for this one? Rule number 2. First of C. First of C is nothing but D. Put epsilon, this one is cross out. So D is exposed. So what is first of D? First of D is nothing but A, B, D. And if you put epsilon, okay, fine. D appears at the end. So follow of S, which is nothing but dollar. Let's go to C. Oh, there is another product. So this one, follow of B is nothing but follow of B. It does not actually give anything there. Let's go to C. C appears here. C is nothing but just after C, there is a D. So rule number 2. First of D. First of D is nothing but A, B, D, and epsilon. If you put epsilon, that is fine. The D appears at the end. So follow of S. It is dollar. Now, is there any new rule can be generated? No, definitely not. So here, this is the completed. Did you understand the problem? So this is the way of finding follow. Recursive, you cannot stop. After finding one, then you have to check another round whether it is going to add something new or not. If it does not add something new, then you can only stop. But if it adds something new, you have to check again. Okay? Is there any question you can ask? Done?
So can you do another example?
Let's do another example. Let's take another homework example.
Sure.
Let's take this one. S derives A, capital B, capital C, or capital B, capital C, capital E, or small a, S. A derives small a, capital A, or epsilon. B derives small b or capital B or epsilon. C derives capital B, capital A. E derives small a. So what would be my first task? Finding first. Am I right? Finding first. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Which one I'm going to take one? This one, and this one. So it is nothing but E. This is nothing but B or epsilon. This is nothing but A or epsilon. Right? Now this one is complicated. This part is easy. A. So what would be this one? First of C is nothing but first of B. What is first of B? First of B is nothing but B. And if you put epsilon, then what happens? This one is cross out, A is exposed. What is first of A? First of A is nothing but A. If you put epsilon, the whole thing become epsilon. So this one is epsilon. Now let's go over here. This one is done. First of S is nothing but first of A. First of A is nothing but A. Okay, done. If you put epsilon, this one cross out, we got B. What is first of B? First of B is B. If you put epsilon, this one is cross out, we are getting C. What is first of C? First of C is nothing but A, B, and epsilon. The whole thing become epsilon. Okay. Now get to here. First of B. First of B is nothing but B. Done. C, then epsilon cross out. C is nothing but A, B, done, epsilon. Okay, C is cross out. Then E. So E. Done? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go to follow. Which one I'm going to do first? Start on.
Start.
It is dollar, but we cannot stop over here. All those rules are recursive, except the first one. Yes, the first one is not recursive. So we have to find out where S appears on the right hand side. It appears here. Anywhere else? No. But this one is actually, we can stop over here because follow of S is nothing but follow of S. Follow of S is nothing but follow of S. So it cannot generate anything new. Done. Now go to here. How about this? It appears A here, appears here. Then what happened? Follow of A is nothing but first of B. First of B is what? B. If you put epsilon, this one is cross out, vanished. So C appears. What is first of C? First of C is nothing but BA and epsilon. Then put A, then epsilon, it does not take any thing. C appears at the end. So according to rule number 3, follow of C is nothing but follow of S. So in this case, follow of S, we are complete with that one, it is dollar. So this one is done. Let's go over here. Follow of A is nothing but follow of A. So it is not going to consider anything new. So we are done with this. But this one is important. Follow of A appears. Here A appears at the end of the product. So follow of A is nothing but follow of C. We don't know what is follow of C. We have to wait. So we can stop over here. Let's go to B. B appears over here, and B appears over here, anywhere, and B appears over here. The follow of B is nothing but first of C. First of C is what? B, A, and if you epsilon, it does not create anything, but C appears at the end of the product. So follow of B would nothing but first of C. And as C appears at the end of the product, that's a follow of B also would be also
Dollar.
first of S. Sorry, follow of S. Follow of S is nothing but dollar. Should we stop here? No, let's go to over here.
Yeah.
Follow of B is nothing but first of C. What is first of C? First of C is BA. If you put epsilon, this one cross out. So E is appear. So what is this? E. We are done with this. Let's go back. Follow of B is nothing but follow of B, so it is complete. But A is not complete yet.
Yes, sir.
A is not complete. Oh, sorry. B is not complete yet because there is another rule. Here B also appears. So follow of B is nothing but first of A. What is first of A? First of A is AB, E. We are done. Epsilon. If you put epsilon here, then what happened? Nothing is there, but A appears at the end. So definitely follow of B is also follow of C. Follow of B is also follow of C. So what would be follow of C? We don't know. So we have to find out. Okay. So Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Now we have to find out follow of C. Follow of C is follow C appears here and here. For this one, follow of C is nothing but follow of S, which is nothing but dollar. For this one, follow of C is nothing but first of E. So E. And then anywhere else? Anywhere else? No, sir. So we are done. Now let's check whether it contributes anything new or not. Dollar is there, E is there, so it is complete. Now dollar is there, E is not there, so E is there, complete. Then E. What is E? E is over here, so it is appears at the end. So it is nothing but follow of.
Start.
So it is nothing but dollar. Done. Is it complicated?
একটু আস্তে ধীরে করতে হয় আর কি।
হ্যাঁ,
Yes,
রুল
yes.
নাম্বার 3 টা অলওয়েজ খেয়াল করবেন। এই যে এটা হচ্ছে কি মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট। 1 is very easy, 2 is also easy, 3 হচ্ছে for example this one. Follow of B is nothing but first of A. What is first of A? A. So definitely in the follow of B, A would be there. But A also has epsilon. So if we put epsilon over here, it contributes nothing, but then B appears at the end. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it is something like this. C is nothing but BA. B can derive A. That's fine. Then follow B is A. There is no problem with that. But when we put epsilon, that what happens? This one is vanished. It is not contributing anything. But then B appears at the end. So definitely whatever follows C, that would be follow up B. Okay, so this one is the most critical part. Everybody make mistake in this part. Otherwise, it is very easy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's continue to next topic. So why we are finding first and follow? Tell me, what is the reason behind finding first and follow? Why it is important? Why it is important? So that we can generate parse tree. Am I right? So that we can generate parse tree. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Parser, what is the function of parser? Generating parse tree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So how come first and follow helps to find parse tree? How come first and follow helps to find generate parse tree? If you can recall the parser, LL1 parser, what are the modules in the LL1 parser? Can you tell me? What are the modules in the LL1 parser?
So LL1 parsing table.
There is a buffer here. Then there is a LL1 parser algorithm. Then there is a stack over here. Did you see the bottommost part? What is that called? What is that
Parsing
called?
table.
Parsing table. This one is the most important thing. You have to somehow generate parsing table. And in LL1 parser, this concept of first and follow helps to generate LL1 parsing table. So how can we generate LL1 parsing table? Now we are going to study that. Let's take a very simple example first, then we are going to complicate it one. Let's take this one. SDRefs. Epsilon. So what would be my first task for generating LL1 parsing table? Finding first and follow. So what would be the first of this one? What would be the first of? There is only one
Epsilon.
variable.
Sir,
So what
open
would the
bracket.
yes? So remember, this one is also a terminal. So open parenthesis and epsilon. Done. What would be the follow? Follow of S. It is the start symbol. So using rule number of all $, and it appears, this S appears here in the right hand side. So what would be the follow? Close parenthesis, close parenthesis,
Yes, sir.
close parenthesis, and anything else? Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, during generating parsing table, so how can I construct a table? See. So you are going to create a table like this. On the leftmost column, you will put all the variables. So how many variables are there in this product?
One.
Oh, sorry,
In
one,
this
one,
grammar, one. That is nothing but S.
one.
On the topmost row, you are going to write all the terminals. So how many terminals are there?
Three.
How many terminals are there? What are the terminals set here? Your variable set is S. What are the terminals set?
Sir, open parenthesis,
Bracket.
close,
Open parenthesis, close parenthesis.
Okay.
Anything
and
else?
epsilon.
Epsilon is not considered a terminal.
Okay.
Actually, epsilon is a pseudo terminal. It means it actually deleted something. So it is not considered terminal. When we are finding fast, we consider it terminal, but it is not actually a terminal. Okay. Because never can you ever have epsilon on the string you want to generate. Is it possible there?
No.
It is not possible. So actually the string you want to generate, there should never have any epsilon. So it is kind of pseudo terminal. It is not terminal. Yes, in the first we consider epsilon as a terminal because it helps in our concept, but it is not actually terminal. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Terminals are only those which can be appear on the strings. So epsilon can never appear on the string. So that's why epsilon is not actually a terminal. It's a pseudo terminal. In the concept of fast, we use it as a terminal because it helps our concept. Now, let's try to generate the percent table. On the leftmost column, you should put all the variables. So how many variables are there? S. Okay. On the right-hand side, topmost row, you are going to put all the terminals. So how many terminals are there?
2.
Come on, 2. What are those?
Open parenthesis.
Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and there is this terminal. There is a terminal. That is nothing but dollar. Because we have actually
Yeah, string.
put a special symbol at the buffer, at the end
Yeah.
of the buffer. That is nothing but dollar. So dollar must appear in the string. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, LL1, rules are very simple. Number 1, put the rule in row of, put the rule in row of LHS and column of first of RHS. If RHS not equal to epsilon. 2, put the rule in row of LHS and column follow of LHS if RHS equal to epsilon. Did you get it? Did you get it?
No, sir.
Let's talk this. Let's take the first one. What is the first product? S derives this one. Am I right?
Yes.
This is the first product. So why should I put this one? The right hand side is not epsilon. Am I right?
Yes.
The right hand side is not epsilon. So why should I put this one? The first rule. Put the rule in row of LHS. So what is the LHS? S. So we have to put in this row. Am I right? Come on. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
row of this one. So what would be the column? Column would be first of RHS. So what is first of RHS?
The parenthesis of
Parenthesis, open parenthesis.
What is the first of
Open-
right hand side? What is
open
the first?
parenthesis.
Right hand.
Open parenthesis.
Open
Open parenthesis. Not first of LHS. Not first of LHS. First of RHS. What is the first of RHS? We have this. What is the first of RHS?
Open.
Open
Open
parenthesis.
parenthesis. So I should put this one in here. Please don't put it in epsilon as well. Please don't. Because first of RHS, not first of LHS. Now let's go to second rule. Put the rule in row LHS and column of follow of LHS if RHS is epsilon. In this product, SD is epsilon, the RHS is epsilon. So why should I put this rule? Why should I put this rule? Follow of LHS. So what is follow of LHS? What is follow of S?
Dollar and close parenthesis.
So SD is epsilon, SD is epsilon. Done. So this is the table. Is it clear to you guys? If you don't understand, ask me question. If you don't understand, ask me question, please.
So can you explain this again? The rules.
Put the rule in row of LHS and column of first of RHS. Put the rule in row of LHS and column of first of RHS if RHS is not epsilon. The first product is S derives. This one. S derives
Open parenthesis.
or open parenthesis is close
S and
parenthesis.
close parenthesis.
So it is not epsilon. So we have to
Right.
use rule number 1. Am I right?
Right.
So what should I put? Row of LHS. LHS is nothing but S. So this row. Am I right?
Right.
At the very beginning of creating table, you will create this one. The leftmost column, you put all the variables,
Variables.
and the rightmost top row, you put all the terminals with S, dollar. Then you are going to construct in the table. Right hand side in this case is not epsilon. So what you are going to do? Take row of LHS. So row of S. So we are in this row. Am I right?
Right.
What would be the column? Column would be first of RHS,
Right.
not first of LHS, first of RHS. So what is RHS? Open parenthesis,
Open.
dollar. So what would be the first of this? This one, only this parenthesis. So put this product in here. This row, this column. Yeah.
Right.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And how about when RHS is epsilon? In this case, SD is epsilon, the second part. SD is epsilon. So what would be the rule? Put the rule in row of LHS. What is row of LHS? So S. So same row. Am I right?
Right.
Same row. But what would be the column? Column would be follow of, in this case, LHS. So what is LHS? S. What is the follow of S? Dollar and
Close parenthesis.
so S derives epsilon, S derives epsilon. Done?
Oh, okay, sir.
What other people are doing actually?
Yes, sir. বুঝেছি।
ওকে, বুঝতে পারলে খুব ভালো। এখন জাস্ট একটা লাস্ট কোশ্চেন, নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমরা একটা বড় এক্সাম্পল করব এটা দিয়ে। আমরা এই টেবিলটা why we are creating this table actually? Why we are creating this table? Why we are creating this table? How this table is helping us to parse? How
Sir,
this
pattern
pattern কিছুই না, in the top down parser. LL1 is a top down parser. Am I right? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So in top down parser, what we are doing actually? We take a variable and then trying to derive. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in this case, if you start from this S in this grammar, then it has two products. S derives open parenthesis, S close parenthesis, and S derives epsilon. Which rule you are going to use? That is the $1 million question in LL1 parser. Am I right? And that is the $1 million question in any top-down parser. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
how can you answer that one? How can you answer that one? Let's
With the
assume
person table.
with the person table. But how you are going to use the person table? Let's assume we try to generate this string. And we know that we can generate this string using this grammar. Am I right? It is possible because S derives this, then this S derives epsilon. So it's a parse. It's a definitely correct parse table, parse tree. But my question is, you know, or I know because I have already derived this problem. But how parser can know? So in that case, whenever there is a chance that S can derive to this one and S can derive to epsilon, there is a question of choice. Am I right? There is a question of choice. When S can derive to this one and S can derive to this one, there is a question of choice. So how come you can answer that answer? How can you answer that question?
So by
Um,
creating the parse table.
Creating the parse table. So the thing is, how can you use the parse table? So let's assume right now my variable is S. Right now my variable is S. Okay? And I'm seeing a open parenthesis. So which product you are going to use? You are going to this row, that is means S row, and you are trying to find out what is the entry in the open parenthesis column. So what is the open parenthesis column here?
S derives open
So
parenthesis.
in this case, you are going to make S derives this one. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So at any point, whatever your current variable you are encountering, you are going to that row and you are going to see in the buffer what is my terminal I'm pointing to at the buffer. Then you are going to that column. So row is going to be denoted. Row can be actually find out by going to variable row, that variable's row, and you can find the column by the current terminal pointing to the buffer. This way you can generate the parse tree. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So don't worry, next class we are going to do another example, then it is getting more clear. Okay,
All right.
so should we stop here today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, let's stop here today. See you next class. Okay.
Sir, attendance.
Okay,
Oh, attendance. Okay. Attendance is important.
স্যার এমনি গুগল কি আপনাকে তার মানে ক্লাসের কে কে ই করছে তার মানে ইন্টারঅ্যাকশনের ওটা কি অ্যানালিটিক্স দেয়?
গুগল কোন গুগল কোথা থেকে আসলো?
গুগল ক্লাসরুম থেকে।
আমি গুগলের উপর কোনো একটা আস্থা রাখি না আর কি, জানি না কিভাবে বের করতে হয় এটা।
না মনে হয় থাকে, অ্যানালিটিক্স থাকে মনে হয়। আর আপনি যদি ক্রোমিয়াম পিসি যদি থাকে আপনার, তাহলে আপনি যখন
Chromium
এক্সাম,
PC টা, what is Chromium PC actually?
তো বেসিক্যালি গুগল হ্যাজ देयर ওএস আর কি।
Oh, Google has their own OS.
ইয়েস স্যার, তার মানে পপুলার না তেমন একটা, বাট আছে।
But is it actually for cell phone or actually for computer?
কম্পিউটার ওদের কয়টা ডেস্কটপে
কম্পিউটারের জন্য স্যার,
Oh, আচ্ছা proprietary নাকি open source?
প্রোপ্রাইটারি।
Proprietary হলে কিনবে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
Proprietary OS কেন কিনবে?
ওদের লকডাউন ব্রাউজার আছে একটা আর কি। তো আপনি
কত দাম
এক্সাম
পড়ে? উইন্ডোজ এর চেয়ে দাম বেশি।
না
স্যার এটা স্যার
মনে হয়।
ক্রোমিয়াম ডিভাইসের সাথে আছে স্যার।
তো সেটা তো বললাম, সেটা তো তাহলে সেল ফোনের হয়ে গেল।
না
গুগল তো
স্যার,
নিশ্চয়ই কোনো কম্পিউটার বানায় না।
ওদের
বানায় স্যার,
ল্যাপটপে আসে।
ট্যাব
ল্যাপটপও
বানায় স্যার।
ট্যাবও বানায়?
ক্রোমিয়াম ডিভাইস,
ওকে
ডিভাইসটাই ক্রোমিয়াম আছে।
Okay,
পিক্সেল বুক মেবি।
পিক্সেল বুক বানায়।
Chromebook.
Chromebook.
না ক্রোমবুক তো অনেক কোম্পানির আছে, লাইক আসুসেরও ক্রোমবুক আছে, এসারেরও আছে।
Oh, you people are very up to date with technologies. That is in a sense good. ওকে উই ক্যান স্টপ হিয়ার টুডে। কেন আপনি হঠাৎ এই প্রশ্নটা কেন করলেন? অ্যানালাইটিক্স দেখায় কিনা?
না স্যার এমনি জিজ্ঞেস করলাম, তাহলে আপনার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স নেওয়া ইজি হয়ে যেত।
আমার ধারণা আপনারা ক্লাসের সময় বেশিরভাগ সময় কোনো মনোযোগ দেন না, 2-3টা স্টুডেন্ট একটু মনোযোগ দেয়, বেশিরভাগ আপনারা যেটা করেন সেলফোনটা হাতে নিয়ে তারপর এটা কানের মধ্যে লাগায় সারা বাড়ি ঘুরতে থাকে, মাঝে মাঝে আপনারা লিচেও যান।
না স্যার আমি এটা করি না।
অনেকে
But না,
এটা করে, অনেকে করে, আপনি তো স্টুডিয়াস বাট অনেকে এটা করে।
হ্যাঁ এটা হতে পারে স্যার।
By the way, we can stop here today, huh?
Yes sir. Thank you
I
sir.
have an